I have found an OWL tool for the TikTok creativity program where you only need to provide a prompt, and this OWL tool will create viral shorts for your YouTube and TikTok. The fun part is that this OWL tool not only prepares your video, but also uploads it to your YouTube and TikTok accounts by itself, meaning full YouTube and TikTok automation. So without wasting any time.
You know about the daring escape from Stalag Luft 3 during World War II? This incredible event took place in March 1944, involving 76 Allied air. Now, you can either directly go to the website from the link provided in the description or comment box, or you can search for Auto Short OWL on Google. After arriving here, you will see that you can create many OWL videos. And the interesting thing about this tool is that it generates images like Mid-Journey or ChatGPT+, but in video format. Now use your Google account to sign up here. After signing up, you will see options like Series View, Create Billing or Account. Simply click on the Create Series button. Then you will see Step 1 where it says the account where your video series will be posted, meaning you can link your TikTok or YouTube account so that any video you create here will be automatically uploaded to. Here will be automatically uploaded to your YouTube or TikTok account to link it. Select the account from here and continue with your Google account. I have linked my YouTube channel here, as you can see now. In Step 2, you need to select the niche for your video. There are many niches available, such as OWL stories, motivational stories, interesting history, scary stories, and more. Choose the niche you want to create the video in, and then move to Step 3. In Step 3, you need to select a voiceover for your video here. You also get some OWL voices from 11 Labs. Welcome to AutoUS Shorts. AutoUS Shorts. After selecting the voiceover, you need to choose the language of your video, as many languages are available next. Select the length of your video. If you are creating a video for YouTube, select 30 to 60 seconds. If you are creating a video for TikTok, choose 60 to 90 seconds. If you want background music, you can turn it on here. But I will turn it off because music is haram. So avoid it. Simply click on Create Series and your video will start getting ready. While the video is getting ready. Let me tell you about the plans. You can create one video for free. Plan if you can buy the starter plan, which has cost $19, so you can create 3 videos per week. And if you buy the daily plan, you can create 1 video daily, which will be automatically uploaded to your channel. Recommend buying the daily plan, which cost up to $39. Which is quite a good plan for growing your accounts. Now our video is ready, which you can see.
In a quiet town, the Miller family lived a seemingly perfect life. Yet beneath their smiles lay a heavy secret, a silence that grew thicker with each passing year. The matriarch, Evelyn, harbored a truth about her late husband that she believed would destroy them if revealed. He had a past, one entwined with betrayal and heartache that she shielded her children from. Their son, Jake, now a teen, sensed the tension but couldn't name it. His sister, Lily, often caught her mother staring into space, lost in memories. One evening, a storm raged outside, mirroring the turmoil within the house. The power flickered and died, plunging them into darkness. In that moment, Jake broke the silence, asking the question that had lingered for years. "What are you hiding from us, Mom?" Evelyn's heart raced. The truth spilled forth, unearthing decades of guilt and sorrow.
Now, if you want, you can also change the background music schedule. In this video, scroll down for that. And here you can change the background musical. So below this, you can change the schedule of your video to decide at what time you want your video to go public. If you want a watermark to be added to your video, scroll down for that and add your text in the watermark text field. Then click on Update Series below. Within a few minutes, your video will have the text added, which you can then view.